Hello, this is Dr. Martin Brown, chiropractor, with your video message of the week. This week's video message is an introduction to chiropractic for our friends and practice members to watch and show to their friends and family members that they want to introduce to chiropractic. Our office's mission is to help improve the quality of life of the public by informing people about true health and how and where it comes from. Health comes from within by having a good working nervous system and a strong immune system. When we give our bodies good fuel in the food we eat, clean, fresh air, adequate, proper rest, consistent, good exercise, and maintain a clear nervous system free of interference, we have the best opportunity to enjoy optimal health and well-being. The brain is your body's computer. It generates signals in the form of impulses or energy that is carried down the spinal cord and over the spinal nerves to every part of the body. In turn, signals are sent from the outer parts of the body back to the brain for evaluation. By using the nerve pathways, the brain is able to coordinate the functions of all the body parts as long as there is no interference. However, there is a condition known as vertebral subluxation that occurs when a vertebra or bone in the spine becomes misaligned and is no longer moving properly. This also causes interference to the flow of impulses over the nerve system. There are three types of stresses that cause vertebral subluxations. These are physical, mental or emotional, and chemical. Physical causes involve falls, accidents, heavy lifting, poor posture, and repetitive minor traumas such as computer work and texting, or even talking on your cell phone for long periods of time. Emotional causes of subluxation include anger, guilt, tough schedules, dealing with children, spouses, or parents' problems, unreasonable bosses, etc. And chemical causes of subluxation are comprised of air and water pollution, toxins involved in food processing, smoking, and drugs and medications. One very special cause that is a combination of the different stresses that affects every human being is the birth process. Even a natural childbirth involves many forms of stress that may cause subluxations in the mother and baby. Chiropractors locate, analyze, and reduce or correct vertebral subluxation by means of a chiropractic spinal adjustment. This involves a special pressure or impulse applied to the subluxated vertebrae. Once the subluxation is corrected, normal nerve function can be restored to the area and improved body function results. Once people learn about and understand the many things that cause vertebral subluxations, they often choose to continue getting chiropractic care regularly for a lifetime. Chiropractic offers a unique type of care known as maintenance, a type of wellness care. Our office features a fee schedule that makes maintenance care affordable for most families. For more information, contact our office at 609-641-6880. Thank you for watching and have a great week.